Hi guys, welcome to this series on web development. I'll encourage you to stay tuned from the beginning to the end, and you are really going to be glad you did, right? We're going to move you from a zero position to a hero position. Mostly I'll go straight to the point, but then it will still be very basic. So don't worry if you've never really attempted learning this topic before. You'll catch up. Trust me on that. So what's web development? Let's just move straight. What's web development? Web development refers to the process of building and maintaining websites or web apps. Let's just put it that way in simple terms, right? There are many kinds of web developer specializations, but let's just categorize them into three over here. Let's say we have front-end developer, back-end developer, and we have the full stack developer. Okay, so what's the front-end developer? Front-end developer is responsible for the behavior and visuals that run in the user browser. So when you visit any website, the user browser, the user interface you are seeing is developed by the front-end developer, right? If it's not a front-end developer, then it will be a full stack developer. And then the back end deals with the servers. It deals with the data, okay? So when you visit any website and you are putting in your data or you are requesting data from that website, that source, that thing, that engine behind, right? That's the server. This is where we have the back end developers working. So front end is what you receive at the front, back end is what you don't see, right? So let's make it as simple as that. As we progress, you get to know these in much detail. Let's talk about some technologies, okay? So we have front-end technologies. The most common, we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? And then we have other front-end frameworks, example, React, Angular, etc. What's HTML? HTML provides the structure and organization of content on a web page, okay? And then the CSS is responsible for just styling the HTML. Let's say it that way. And the JavaScript, everything we are doing is so static, but we bring in JavaScript to add interactions to the web pages. Okay. So, because of JavaScript, we have many popular front end frameworks like React, Angular, Vue.js, etc. We will also look into these, but for now, just look at the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. They are the main technologies used by front-end developers. What about the technologies by back-end developers? Yeah, back-end developers, they also have a server-side language, PHP, Java, Node.js, Python, a number of them, Perl, and then they also have databases. There are a bunch of them. I've really summarized them here. We have database like MySQL, Postgre, SQL, MongoDB, a number of them. So let's just take this as an introduction to web development, and then join me in the next videos as we progress. Thank you.